Several Kasukuire, the former ZANU-PF political commissar, the leader of the G40 faction, has made a firm vow to block President Emerson Mnangagwa's efforts to extend his term in office beyond the constitutional limits. Sanabira Mashuko Tiwana Kumana G40, I will pin it up and now in this 23rd agenda will subscribe or like out on the bell. I got Tibina Panapam Zim I, Mnangagwa has been working to consolidate his power with the aim of amending the country's constitution to allow him to remain in office beyond his current term, which is set to end in 2028. However, Kasukuire dismisses these efforts as unrealistic, vowing to prevent Mnangagwa from achieving his goal in the 2025 elections. This statement came in response to the remarks by ZANU-PF Central Committee member Jennifer Muswere, who asserted that the resolutions made at the party's recent annual People's Conference are binding, as they were unanimously adopted by the delegates. Muswere emphasized that when the resolutions were presented during the conference, there were no objections from the attendees. Among the resolutions, first was one to extend Mnangagwa's term by 2 years, allowing him to continue his Vision 2030 agenda. Despite this official stance, Kasukuire, who has previously stated that Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 will not come to fruition, made it clear that he would personally tackle the issue in the near future. Ndomashoko tinoona kuti aiwa Kasukuire amuza kumuna G40 anachiti aiwa kuna zvakadaro ndichakwanisa kuzvimisa izvo zvapana kwazvinosvika. Mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa Kasukuire anoityana mathreats amuza kuti aiwa ndovamwe vakomana veG40 vangashanda nana president RG Mugabe panguva yavo. Tudze mavhunguro enyu matikudei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi, muna comment section yedu. Tudze mavhunguro enyu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.